So let's move to the next one. Yang seterusnya adalah InOffice, saudara Azmi Irfan. Dia akan cerita sikit macam mana orang sekarang banyak bercakap dekat phone, dekat chat, tukar kepada bercakap betul-betul. Okey, kita teruskan.
Hi everyone, my name is Hazmi Irfan and today I'm going to show you guys a website that I have made. It's called InOffice. InOffice is a website that allows you to have spontaneous conversation with your team members. So let's take a look at the problem first. Currently, during the pandemic, a lot of companies are working remotely, and although this is great, but you do miss out on certain things. One of it is the ability to have spontaneous conversation with your team members. And what exactly is a spontaneous conversation? Let me give you an example. Imagine you are inside a real office right now and you have a problem that you want to discuss with your team members. Do you call or text that person? No, right? Because most likely they are sitting right in front of you. So you just take your laptop, go to his desk and start talking immediately. So that is the sort of conversation that I'm missing right now when you are working remotely. Next, let's take a look at the solution. There is no call concept inside InOffice, meaning you don't have to initiate a call and you don't have to wait for your call to be answered. If you see your team members is online, you just click a button and start talking immediately. So it's really simple for you to start a conversation. So what happens when you make it easy for you to talk to your team members? One of it is that your communication becomes more effective. You no longer have to deal with the constraint of a text-based system. Secondly, because it's really easy for you to start a conversation, the conversation can become more casual, meaning your team members will feel more connected and feel less lonely. So now let's take a look at the product itself. So this is the main page, and if you zoom in on the left, you can see who is online and who is offline. You can also see the status and where they are working from, either remotely or from office. You can also see who is talking to who. So if you want to join in, you can just click a button and start talking immediately. Like I said previously, it is that simple. So that's the product itself. Now let's take a look at the stack. I use a language called Elixir, and the framework that I use is called Phoenix. So Phoenix is a web framework that allows you to build real-time web application with ease. For the database, I'm using Postgres, and for the media stream, I'm actually using a library called PAJS, which is a wrapper for WebRTC. So that is about the stack. Currently, the website is in beta, but it's being used by teams around the world. So I do hope that you guys give it a try.
Alright, thank you Azmi. What a good solution so that people become more people, not robot. Okay, let's start with a Q&A. Kita tunggu jap Q&A masuk. Okay. Azmi buat benda ni on your own?
Saya buat seorang.
Buat seorang? How many people actually dah guna so far?
In term of saya ikut berdasarkan team, so dalam lebih kurang 10 team guna.
Team all over the world.
Ada kat Australia, Brazil, yeah.
Okay. First question from Fajar. How do you manage with existing app chat like WhatsApp or Telegram? Can the user integrate with an in-office bot? Something like that ada tanya.
So right now there is no integration between WhatsApp or Telegram. So the way I see it is that you use WhatsApp or Telegram to have a chat, and if you want to go to talk, you will use InOffice to
I
proceed
see.
with the conversation.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. The next question would be, is this personal project or a company's project?
Itulah apa beza personal dengan company. Personal lah sebenarnya. Tujukan personal lah dengan harapan dia jadi company lah.
Okay, so you're on your own. So now, okay, the next one would be, oh laju ni, laju. Sekejap, sabar ya. Okay. Okay, alright. Sekejap, sabar. Laju. Okay, berapa ramai dah pakai? Is it free as for now?
Buat masa ni free.
Free. Okay guys, it's free guys. Okay, lepas tu the next one would be, is it web-based? Yeah, definitely web-based lah kan?
Web-based, yeah.
Okay, alright. Okay, the another one would be from Fajar again. Can we see location, time zone for InOffice chat app?
Right now, no, but in the future might be. Yeah.
Okay, right. This is very good. Why WebRTC over Websocket? What's the main advantages?
Actually, InOffice use both WebRTC and Websocket. So, WebRTC is used to send media stream. For example, like the video, the sound, media file is the standard platform for web. And I use WebSocket for anything else for real time.
I see.
So, like, for example, if you want to see who is talking to who, that part is actually WebSocket. Yeah.
Okay, faham.
But the communication is WebRTC.
Okay, ada soalan daripada Amin. Macam mana nak test? Macam mana nak guna? It's from your website, right?
Boleh login and then invite siapa-siapa kawan ke apa, lepas tu boleh try.
Okay. Another good question is it online? Can be local hosted also?
Tak ada local hosted.
It's online. Okay, alright. Okay. Can we chat offline? Is that if there's no internet?
No.
Because it's voice over IP kan?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Okay, this is a good question also. What's the business model?
Currently, I haven't think about the business model yet, to be honest. But I'm planning to charge based on teams. So
on teams lah. How many people lah in a team? Alright. Okay. Lagi tak? Kita dah jawab. Okay. My question. Macam mana sebelut tu?
Sebelut?
How do you manage that? Let's say sekarang ni ada 10 team, alright? Then dalam satu team tu ada 100 orang. So we are looking at 1,000 people conversation on top that voice over IP. How do you manage that?
Buat masa ni sebab saya guna WebRTC, so kebanyakan heavy load saya letak dekat user itself sebab WebRTC tu dia peer to peer. So macam let's say user A want to talk to user B, the connection dia sebenarnya tak melalui server langsung, dia direct peer to peer.
Okay.
So that way kebanyakan heavy load boleh letak dekat client itself to advantage. So it doesn't matter how many users sebab dia takkan burden server
sebab dia pakai internet connection dia orang
tu. Tapi downside dia is that sebab dia client, so in term of connection dia rely on the client itself. So let's say kalau laptop kalau laptop dia tu macam tak power sangat, so maybe dia boleh connect let's say macam 5 people instead of 10. So that's the disadvantage.
Okay, ni Imran dah repeat another one. Okay. Why Elixir over more popular language than real-time friendly? Example, Node.
Sebab the reason saya guna Elixir sebab saya just prefer language dia as a programming language. Saya prefer Elixir as opposed to JavaScript. That's personal preference. Rasanya kalau guna Node pun boleh juga. Cuma just personal.
Tapi memang you suka Elixir lah. I have been reading Elixir for 3 days dah because of JOMLAUNCH.
Asalnya ada orang present kot semalam kan pasal.
It's quite interesting sebab dia tak kacau load kan. Okay, anything else? Ya, I tengok kat feed ada tak soalan. Kadang-kadang orang miss nak letak.
Another thing, I guna Node. Actually, InOffice dia 2 server. Satu server nak handle real-time communication.
Betul.
That part is Elixir. The other one is to broker the WebRTC. So yang tu actually guna Node.
I know. Memang kena ada 2 tu. Betul. Okay. Anything else guys? This is a good product tau. Sebab dia tukar manusia jadi robot jadi manusia. Boleh check dekat feed link kepada untuk testing. Hidayati dah letak dah kat situ. So korang boleh tengok InOffice.chat. You guys can boleh boleh try. Alright, anything more? Kalau tak ada, okay, thank you so much Azmi for this personal project and soon to be a commercial project. If you want to talk about business model and whatnot, you can tanya-tanya kat dalam group Jom Web. Maybe some of them boleh give some suggestion. Okay? Alright. Okay.
Thank you.